Hello everyone and welcome to another newsletter, and this newsletter is really something I've been extremely excited about. My name is Daniel and today we're gonna talk whiting. There's been a lot of changes going on at whiting, and this means that we've seen a new price list, probably a new pricing structure as well. And this is great news for all of us fly tyers, because this means that the tendency we have seen over the past couple of years with whiting just increasing the price and it being the whiting products being more and more expensive, that is gone, and a completely new structure is in place. This means that shop-wide all whiting products have been reduced in price. So there is some extremely great new price rules on whiting, and this means that all the American, all the 4B capes, all the different whiting products now, all of them have been reduced in price, and these new prices are extremely favorable. So I can only urge you to swing by Nordic Anglers to see all of these new prices, and of course, if you're in the market for any whiting products, then now is a good time to get them, because the price is going to be what it is now for the foreseeable future. But the thing is, we have quite a lot of stock, and as always with whiting, then if you see something you like and it's from whiting and it's available, you better get it, because the availability of all these whiting products can be a bit difficult, and it's often difficult to get exactly the stuff that you want. I struggle a lot in the shop to have as much in stock as I would like to have, all the different colors and stuff, because basically the production that whiting makes is limited. So whenever I get the chance, I buy as much as I can, but that means that I have some in stock, but it also means that there is a lot of things I don't have in stock. So what I would like and urge you to do is to go to Nordic Anglers, look over all the different whiting products, see the new pricing structure for all of these great products, and then if you see something you like, now is the best time ever to get it, because we have been, we have basically marked all of them down. They're not going to have a new on sale price, because basically this is the new retail price. So there's not going to be a before price and an after price, but I can guarantee you that the prices on all these products has been marked down quite substantially. So great news for all of us fly tyers. It's now again feasible to get a lot of whiting products. So awesome news. Another great news is also that Lamson has discontinued our most sold reel. This is the liquid and the remix. Both of these two reels has been discontinued, and that means that at the moment they're marked down by 30% at Nordic Anglers, and it applies both to the remix, which is the reel that has the complete frame from machined frame and the cast spool, but it also applies to the 3-packs where you can buy a reel and get 2 spools. It also applies to the HD models, the perfect models for two-handed fishing and stuff. All of this is available at Nordic Anglers. You can buy all the different reels, you can see all the different sizes, and they're marked down by 30%. So great news in regard to whiting, but also great news in regards to some pretty awesome and pretty cool fly reels, the liquid and the remix. I mean, this news with whiting is something that I cannot state how much that means, because basically I'm just happy to see for once that prices on some of the best quality materials out there are actually starting to go the other way, because it was from my point of view, it was annoying to see that the prices just kept rising, and that tendency seems to have declined quite a lot, in particular with whiting. We saw it also with TFO, that also marked some of their things down. Their price list was new as well, and also with Winston. But with whiting, it's just great, because whiting is the best you can get. And now you can get that at a way more affordable price. And that is awesome news. The last thing I want to mention in this video is that our live stream fly tying sessions are gonna be starting in November. I think the first one in English is on the 14th. Tuesday the 14th. It's at 20 in the evening in local Danish times. I do not know exactly how that applies to where you're located, but if you're not able to watch it unfold live, then of course you are more than you can always watch it afterwards if that's something you like. But I mean, it's fun to do, and it's especially fun if a lot of people attended live, and you can write comments and stuff to the video then. So 3 stuff that is interesting and important. New whiting pricings make pricings a lot more affordable and a lot easier to get your hands on, as always, as long stocks lasts. New pricing for the liquid and the remix, they're on sale, and then upcoming live streams. You can see all the upcoming live streams at the Nordic Anglers YouTube channel. On the front page of that, there is a playlist with all the upcoming live streams, so you can see exactly what we're gonna do, what we're gonna tie, and if you want, you can even buy some of the material so you're ready to tie the flies as we tie them live. But I'm so thrilled and so excited about the news from whiting. This is gonna be awesome and cool, so check it out. Swing by Nordic Anglers to see it all. I guess that covers it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, take care, and I wish you the best of luck out on the water. Bam!